Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend opportunities in Oracle Fusion CRM application. So this is the homepage of the application. So first we see the opportunity in this application. So click on this navigator, click on this cells, and click on this opportunities. So this is the opportunity which is already created. Let's open it. So this is the detailed page layout of this opportunity, and this is all the subtabs of this opportunity. This is the summary subtab, this is the contact subtab, and this is the activity subtab. So what I'm going to show you in this video, I'm going to show you the how to add subtabs in the opportunity, in the detailed page layout of this opportunity. So in the below of this deal registration, I'm adding one sub tab, which is interaction history. So let's go it, cancel out. Click on this home page. So in order to add sub tab in opportunity, we have to enable one sandbox. So click on this navigator and scroll down, go to the configuration part and click on that and click on this sandboxes. And click on this create sandboxes. Let's give the name of this sandbox. So I'm going to enter BISP sandbox and select one tool. So I'm going to select application composer and click on this create and enter. So fetching the data. You can see over here the BISP sandbox gets created and the active sandbox display above the vision. This is the active sandbox and this is the tool, and you can add more tool by click on this add more button. Now let's go to the application composer. So click on this navigator. Go to the configuration, scroll down. In the configuration part, click on this application composer. So this is the application composer page where we have one object. In this object, we have custom object and standard object. So we have expand the standard object. So we are going to add subtab in the opportunity field. So we have to expand the opportunity. So this is the opportunity and expand it. And click on this pages option. So this is the opportunity page, and ensure that we are on the application page. And in this application page, we have a landing page layout, we have a creation page layout, and we have detailed page layout. So in the detailed page layout, select standard layout. So this is the standard layout, select it and click on this duplicate detail page layout. Let's give the name of this duplicate layout. And click on this save and edit button. So this is the detailed page layout where you have an option of edit option. So this is the summary subtab edit option. If you want to add field in the summary subtab, so you can add field on, click on this edit button and you can add the field. But right now I'm going to add subtab in the summary in the detailed page layout. So we have to click on this hide, show and reorder subtab. This is the up and down arrow. So click on this option and we have one window where we have some available field and we have some selected field. So from the available field, I'm selecting interaction history and move it to into the selected subtab and click on this OK button. And click on done. Now let's check the changes. So click on this navigator, click on opportunities, and open this opportunity. So in this detailed page layout, you can see the interaction history subtabs gets added. This is the subtab history. Now in this way, you can add subtab in the detailed page layout, and you can also add the fields in the landing page layout, in the creation page layout. So to save all the changes, we have to publish this sandbox. So click on this publish option. So this is the active sandbox, and click on this publish, click on yes. So the current status of this sandbox is publishing. So publishing is in process, and after completing it, it gets published. So you can see over here, the sandbox gets published, click on done. So this is how you can extend the opportunity is Oracle Fusion application. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.